In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if microphone is not working on Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon so that we can get into the privacy settings. So in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Then we have to scroll down and under app permissions, we can find microphone. Click on that. Make sure that microphone access is enabled. So anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on. Make sure the button is switched on. Let apps access your microphone. Make sure the button is switched on from here, especially for those applications that needs to access your microphone like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or any other applications that needs to access your microphone. Simply switch the button on from here to enable it and to give access to it. Then close this. The next method, click on the start button again or make a right click. Okay, it's right click. Select settings. Click on System, click on Sound, and then scroll down and you will find more sound settings. Click on that. Now here in this sound settings window, click on the recording tab and here you'll find your microphone. Make sure this is set as the default device. So click on your microphone and click on this button set as default. Now once you set this as the default device, then click on the properties button. Now here, click on the levels tab. Make sure this is not muted from here. If this is muted like that, simply change this to the desired volume that you want, but not the lowest volume, okay? Now once done, you have to click on apply and click on OK, and then click on OK again, and then close this. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And then just try to connect again your microphone, and this time it will work. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.